Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Chainlink tokens from Kraken to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets securely between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, I'll keep things simple and engaging, so you can do this in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that you have Chainlink, Link, in your Kraken wallet and the exact wallet address from Coinbase ready to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section, usually found in the top menu. Step 2. Find Chainlink in your wallet list. Search for Link and select it. You'll see options for deposit or withdrawal. Click on Withdraw. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Paste your Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Make sure it's the correct one for Coinbase, as addresses can vary by network, like Ethereum for Chainlink. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw and review any fees. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Kraken will show a summary, including estimated time and costs. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll likely need to enable two-factor authentication for security. Step 5. Wait for the transfer. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, head over to your Coinbase wallet app or website. Step 6. Verify the deposit in Coinbase. Check your transaction history to ensure Link has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and double-check the Blockchain Explorer for the transaction status. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable security features like email confirmations. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your moves wisely. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Chainlink from Kraken to Coinbase wallet in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.